Time to give your espresso machine a thorough clean. Make sure you have all the necessary cleaning supplies ready. Now let's prepare the descaling solution. Pour the citric acid descaling powder into water and stir until it fully dissolves. Then pour the solution into the water tank up to the max line. Place a cup directly under the brew head. Plug in the machine and press the power button to turn it on. Once preheating is complete, the machine will automatically enter standby mode. At this point, press and hold both the single cup and double cup buttons for 3 seconds to start the descaling program. Short press the single cup button. Water will start flowing from the brew head. When the water stops, the indicator light will change. Move to the next step. Remove the cup used for descaling water. Move the cup under the steam wand. We recommend using a container larger than 900 milliliters. Short press the steam hot water button. Hot water will flow from the steam wand. When the water stops, the indicator light will prompt you to proceed. Remove the cup from under the steam wand. Now the water level in the tank is low. Please refill the tank with descaling solution up to the max line. Place the cup back under the brew head. Then press the double cup button to start step 3. Hot water will flow from the brew head. When it stops, the indicator light will prompt the next step. Place the cup under the steam wand again. Short press the steam/hot water button. Hot water will flow from the steam wand. When finished, the descaling indicator light will turn off and the machine will return to standby mode. Next, we will rinse out the remaining descaling solution inside. Remove the water tank. Discard the remaining descaling liquid and rinse the tank thoroughly. Reinstall the water tank. Fill the tank with fresh drinking water, above the MIN line and below the max line. Short press the double cup button. Clean water will flow from the brew head. Then stop automatically. Remove the container. Place a container under the steam wand. Short press the steam hot water button again. The machine will begin preheating. Once complete, the steam hot water indicator light will stay on. Short press the steam hot water button again. The steam wand will release steam for about 20 seconds. Press and hold the steam hot water button for about 3 seconds to stop steam output. The machine will return to standby mode. Press and hold the steam/hot water button for about 3 seconds again. Hot water will flow from the steam wand, then stop automatically and return to standby. Discard the water in the cup. Finally, wipe the machine's exterior with a cloth. All deep cleaning steps have been completed.